Well, hey YouTube, this is High Pitch Freaknik coming at you with a brand new video. I'm switching topics up. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to make a burp just using air. So here's a little sampler. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to try to make a big burp. If that doesn't work, I'm going to do what always works. I'm going to burp and I'm going to talk. Now, it may sound like I'm just doing something like that and just sounding all weird, but trust me, it's a burp and I'm talking. So I hope you like it. And here it is.
La 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 la.
Okay, time for talking.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Catch you next time.